Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can check your saved passwords in Google Chrome. So simply start by opening Google Chrome. Then now as you can see we on our home page, so simply open Settings by clicking three dots in the corner, then go down on Settings. And now that the settings are open, get down on Passwords. And after getting this results, slide down on this password area, and now as you can see here are all your passwords that you have ever saved. And if you want to remove any of the password, simply click on the one you want to remove. Then as you can see here there's its email and its password, so to delete it, simply click the delete button. And now as you can see it's been permanently deleted, so thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.